Tell me when you want to be
Are you gonna?
Supporter of.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do some video.
You're gonna do some more?
Video, September 17th, 2012. Easton is 23 months old, riding on his horse. Bear!
You're gonna be dancing.
Is that what the bear's doing? Balloons!
Ooh, I haven't seen that one before.
Flowers.
You want to do it again?
Ruff ruff. Slide. The puppy's going up the slide. You gotta jump on it to make it move, Easton.
Gotta jump on the horsey.
You can push on it, I guess. Too far.
Oh! You got what in your mouth?
Papa?
Oh! Knee. You hurt your knee. Papa, watch him bounce on this horse, Papa.
Losing my light. I gotta go.
2.
Do it. Right, faster.
Kite! Look at the kite! Kite! Remember we saw the kite in the book? Bird? Again.
Ride your horsey. Make it go. Make it go. I want to see the new TV. Go.
Kite. Oh, look at that water. Look at the boat.
Ooh.
Sun. Bucket. What? Moon.
Fish.
Fish. Your head. Yellow fish. Hello. You need to go to the chiropractor? You need to see Dr. Chris? Dr. Chris? Vacuum? You gonna vacuum? Alright, Easton, you wanna take a bubble bath?
No.
Oh, well. Are you gonna vacuum for Gigi? That's very good. Clean this place up now. It's a mess. Good job. I really seriously don't know how I even sit up sometimes. I know.
Wow, you're so good. You're a good cook, and now you're cleaning. Oh, that horsey. That horsey went peekaboo.
Your grandpa Carl is going to say, are you brainwashing your child?
Why?
Because he's doing chores.
Oh, no.
He's a good boy.
Watch this thing.
There he goes. All right.